just look so stupid.
Who?
You. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Holy shit.
Oh my God.
Why did it come out like that? This is not sturdy. Where the f can we find this?
Is that a one-seater?
It's jammed. It won't go back.
Saeed!
Oh my God. Oh my God. Look.
Stop, stop, stop! Stop! Holy f. What's wrong with you, bro? I need a... Bad pal. Bad pal. Yo, Silky, stop being bro. A little water never hurt nobody.
Yeah, nah, but this water look contaminated.
But you've been wearing the same grills for 20 years, so.
Keep those grills safe.
Oh, I'm moving.